Hello math fam, hello YouTube fam, hello MTG fam. I'm making this video to do the math, to figure out when you look at your videos on your channel. I put these Magic the Gathering videos in to YouTube, and it says that I have 80% likes. So I'm going to show you how to do the math on it, because what I want to know is how many people disliked my video, you know? And I always remember that anyone who will criticize you could no way do what you're doing. And they're probably jealous of you too, okay? So it says that I have 12 likes, and that's 80%. And I certainly have a lot of videos that are lower than this, all right? I have some that are higher, I have a lot that are lower, okay? So I set up the equation as 12 equals the variable x times 8/10. So 12 equals 0.8x, if you will. Then I divide by x on both sides, or I divide by 0.8 on both sides. So I get 12 divided by 0.8 equals x. And when I solve for x, I get 15. So I subtract the positive likes, or I subtract the likes from the total number that it started out with. 15 minus 12 is 3, so I had 3 dislikes on the video. Thanks, fam.